welcome to Cryssberry Reviews and Tips once again. So they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? So today we're going to learn about apple cider vinegar. That is, what is apple cider vinegar and what are the benefits of apple cider vinegar and how to use it for different purposes. So without further delay, shall we move to the video? Then let's go. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apple juice. So first in the process, yeast is added to apple juice, which converts the sugars in the juice to alcohol, and then after this a bacteria called the mother is added to the apple juice, and then this converts the alcohol to acetic acid, which forms vinegar. So most of the apple cider vinegars available in the stores have this bacteria, that is the mother, removed from it, because the mother present in the vinegar gives it a cloudy appearance. So people tend to think that the vinegar is spoiled and they reject it. So that's the reason the mother is removed, but the actual truth is the healthiest part of the vinegar is the mother. There are two types of apple cider vinegars available in the market. So one is the apple cider vinegar with mother and one is without mother, that is a filtered and refined or pasteurized apple cider vinegar. So let me show you the difference. So if you see here, this is apple cider vinegar without mother and you can see that it is really clear. And this one is apple cider vinegar with mother, so you can see the cloudy appearance, right? So you can see the difference between the two. So you can see the difference between the two, right? So this is with mother and the healthiest part of the vinegar is in it, and this is apple cider vinegar, of course, but without mother, which is filtered and the mother is removed. So how is the mother useful? Well, the mother consists of many strains of good bacteria, which is otherwise called the probiotic, which is very good for the digestive system. So now let's see how to use apple cider vinegar for different purposes. First, as a skin toner, you need to take 1:3 ratio of apple cider vinegar plus water. So that is, if you take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, mix it with 3 teaspoons of water, apply it to your face, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. But always do a patch test before you apply it to your face. I always tell you that. So make sure you're not allergic to it and then you can apply it to your face. So you can do it once or twice a week. That is the way to use it as a skin toner. Apple cider vinegar helps in eliminating dandruff. So for this you need to take 1:1 ratio, that is 1 teaspoon of vinegar plus 1 teaspoon of water, or if you're taking 2 teaspoons of vinegar, add 2 teaspoons of water, apply it to your scalp, leave it for 1 hour and then wash it off. So you can do it once or twice in a week and this will help in eliminating dandruff. And the third way of using it is for acne. For this you need to take in 1:2 ratio, that is 1 teaspoon of vinegar plus 2 teaspoons of water, apply it to the affected area and wash it off after 15 to 20 minutes. So this is the third way of using apple cider vinegar for acne. The fourth use is weight loss. For this you need to drink 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 1 cup of water. So mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 cup of water and drink it before meal, which helps in weight loss plus maintaining blood sugar level. So whenever you buy apple cider vinegar, make sure you buy apple cider vinegar with mother, that is unpasteurized, unfiltered and unrefined apple cider vinegar. So here I have this apple cider vinegar from Boldfit, and this is organic apple cider vinegar, and it is USDA organic plus ISO certified. So if you wish to buy this product, you can check the link in the description box. Now here you also have a verification code here, which you can go and verify that your product is authentic on the website of Boldfit. So the website link is also, the website address is also given here. So let me show you the product. So once you open the product, you are supposed to refrigerate it to prevent it from getting spoiled. So here you can see the cloudy appearance, right? So this is it. So hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.